This year, we're going to take one man, a man that's not so handy, and transform him into a fully capable, finely tuned handyman. Over the course of 3 months, he'll be faced with grueling tool challenges, take part in extreme survival tests, and be dropped in the middle of nowhere, alone, to fend for himself. To get out alive, he'll only have your help and the right set of tools to rely on. Because without both, he's not just in trouble, he's screwed.
Don't show that.
Stop laughing, Anna! All right. Oh! Thing in the thing. There we go. Why would you even have that?
I'm so screwed.
This is the house I grew up in Lebanon, Oregon. I pretty much grew up here from when I was born to high school. There's the doghouse that my dad built. He built this whole thing, and then they just go sleep under the bushes. I thought that was funny.
My grandpa was handy. My dad was handy. You know, that gene passed on to me. Alan's not there yet.
Okay, so this is the pond that my father built. He dug the hole, he made the plumbing system, he made everything for it.
Does he know the difference between a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver? I don't know.
I know what an Allen wrench is.
Of course you do. It's named after you.
I don't know about the hand-eye thing. I don't know.
This is my dad's shop. This is where, you know, he spent all his time making stuff and constructing stuff. My dad actually built those birdhouses. I don't know why he needed 3. My dad passed away when I was a junior in high school. He had a heart attack. And anything else?
I can't remember Alan ever doing anything remotely handy. It was hide in the house and play computer games.
We did play D&D, yes, that happened.
He's always been a little off.
Oh, this is the kitchen. I mean, this is the dining room.
He's kind of a klutz. I mean, he was always very good at physical comedy. Yeah, I don't know, you get him in front of a table saw, I'm afraid he's losing a finger.
Yeah, there is a regret that I never picked up all my handyman skills that my dad did. I really wish I could help with the pond so that my mom could sell this house, because it's the one sore spot, I think, is that it was never finished.
There's a leak in the very top pool where the water comes in. I wouldn't call Alan because he's not a handyman.
I wish I could pick up these tools and construct something. I wish I wasn't useless. If they're gonna turn me into a handyman. Wait a second.
Right. What, they said 10 weeks? I give him till about week 3, honestly. I don't know.
I feel adventure coming. I don't know what adventure is in store for me. Hopefully it's not scary adventure. Hopefully it's fun adventure.